Hello,
Hi,
I'm Corona.
I'm also Corona.
I'm from Kerala.
I'm from capital of India.
I'm a foodie. I would like to attend all the marriages.
I'm afraid of songs, especially
Kerala go, Kerala go, Kerala go, Kerala go, go Kerala, 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 go Kerala.
I hate election and all election-related activities.
I'm afraid of fire.
I'm a believer. I will visit mosque, temple, and church every day.
I'm afraid of counter.
I hate liquor. I hate to go to the bar.
I'm afraid of sounds produced by jamming plates.
I love to watch movies in theater.
I hate children.
I hate people living in Kerala or people coming from any other state in India. I love people come from foreign countries.
What about arts?
I hate Tiruvadiri but love to go to school.
Any other hobbies?
I love to go tour. Love to spend more time on tours.
This little animation actually created using codes. I have posted the link to download this application below.